Okay.
Aguanta.
Hey, you guys. We're about to microwave a game for 3 seconds only, though. 3 seconds. Any more, it will most likely blow up. So let's see how this goes. 3 seconds.
30.
1,
29.
3. Open it. Okay. Okay, so we literally microwaved it for 3 seconds. Flip it around. Okay, so.
A la madre.
3 seconds.
It's not even hot.
No?
No way.
Let me see. Look it. Okay. We microwaved it for 3 seconds.
Nothing happened to the front.
3 seconds. Nothing. No, the front's perfect just since 4. Flip it around. Look it. Microwave it for a couple more seconds. So let's say 3 more seconds.
Anyway.
It's cracked. That's the only thing. It's cracked.
That's what she said.
Badly.
That's what she said.
This is not gonna work. I hope you guys know that. So don't do this.
Un experimento. 3 more seconds, right?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Go. Take it. Is it hot? No. Okay.
No le pasó nada.
Now it just got more big. 3. Oh, it is getting kind of hot. 3 more seconds, and that's it.
No, tía, me estamos poniendo 3 segundos. Now we're gonna do in the. Oh shit.
Open it. Okay, that's it. All right.
No le pasó nada.
Okay, I can see your room. Oi, Vicky, are you okay?
Dude.
Oh, dude, the middle of it's hot. Touching the middle of the ring. Inside. Oh, let me see it. Let me see it. Bogart. Okay. We microwaved it for 9 seconds.
Taco Warrior 07. Wait, hold the count. Let's play. Hold on, I want to play one.
Wait, 9 seconds.
I want to touch it. Touch it.
It's not hot. Yeah.
Get it.
So, alright, guys. That's microwaving your game. Don't do that. It was a stupid idea.
Yeah,
it wasn't even your game.